19 says a 5 or a black card. So when calculating the probability, we want to find the number of 5s, add the number of black cards, and then subtract the number of black 5s, because there is going to be some overlap here. So these are the 5s, these are the black cards, and these are the 2 cards that are in the overlap. So we want to take the 4 5s, add the 26 black cards, and subtract the 2 black 5s, and that's all over 52. And that is equal to 28 over 52, which reduces to 7 over 13. Next is a diamond or a face card. So these are the diamonds, and these are the face cards. So we have 3 cards that are both diamonds and face cards. So these 3 cards make up the overlap. So we need to take the 13 diamonds plus the 12 face cards and subtract the 3 diamond face cards. That will be 22 over 52, which reduces to 11 over 26.